Welcome back, guys. So today I have this package here loaded. Package was loaded. It's from Nadula here. Okay, you guys know since recently Nadula makes it their point of duty to send one of these gorgeous like tote bags, great for storage. They've now added buttons to it. That is so convenient. Love that. And you know they're gonna send a robe. This is a champagne color. Love this. This is like my 5th one. Love getting these. Then this is the packaging with the box and everything. So it's a drawstring bag that's branded, and then the box, which is also branded. And let's get into it. All right, don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep moving always. All right, and then there's the wig inside, which we're gonna get into. So give me a moment for that. So there are some more goodies in the box. I got this branded Nadula elastic headband, and then I got a drawstring bag with stuff. So I got a patterned elastic band, another one, another pair of HD wig caps, and a brush. So guys, this is the wig that we're working with today. This is like a kinky straight texture, and it is like a dark brown color. It's really nice and thick. Now the lace that we're working with today is Nadula's invisible knots. It's the Bye Bye Knots wig. It looks so good. Now this is a 7x5 lace closure. This is a upgraded kind of closure wig. Definitely can see where it has way more space, and they went in and ensured that they bleached this, pre-bleached it for you, and it's a hand woven method that's used. So this makes the wig value way more than it would normally be, but at Nadula they're only selling it for like $200. So you know they're giving you something that's high quality but at a very affordable price. All right, so you could actually get a nice side part. You know, it came with a center part, but I'll show you guys that, demonstrate and show you guys. You could go ahead and get a nice side part with this as well. The hair feels really good. As I said, let me go ahead and show you the inside construction of the wig cap. It's a medium cap, by the way. So this is how it looks. So you know you definitely don't need to go in and bleach this any further. Then there is a total of 3 combs in the cap. All right, they have this non-slip silicone area, which is great, and you have the adjustable strap on the inside, because this is what helps the wig to be glueless. Yes guys, this is a glueless wig. So I'm happy that I can bring you guys another gorgeous glueless wig. It looks really good, and it is also pre-plucked. Okay, look at that. Looks so gorgeous. It didn't come with any, you don't have to do any baby hairs on this. Like, it looks so natural as is, and literally it's a slip on and go vibe. This is also 24 inches long, and you know, in terms of density and all of that, you guys know I'll go ahead and still list the specifications down below in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. But we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this easy, quick, flawless Bye Bye Knots wig installation. I just take it from here, from the elastic band, and I usually just use that to go ahead and flip it on my head. So that's what we're gonna do. So right off the bat you can see that, okay, this is definitely super easy to just initially install, and it is very secure. Let's do the shake test before we move any further. It's not going anywhere. It is not going anywhere. The hairline looks very nicely plucked. So right off the bat, I'm pretty sure you guys can see that it definitely is casty in the very front. So usually you can just go ahead, take a little bit of your face powder to blend that down, and that's what I'm gonna go into doing right now. Yeah, section clip to just pull the hair out of the way. Yeah, I really like how nicely the lace closure is hugging my natural hairline. They did it super realistic. So I have my powder, so I'm just gonna take my time and pat this in. So I went ahead and just tied down the very front here to press the lace in. That's like a little trick I always do, especially with glueless wigs, when I'm trying to like cancel out the castiness, have the lace kind of blend more into my hairline and just have it look more realistic. So that's just something I do. So I'm gonna leave it there for a while. Absolutely no adhesive, okay? And you guys are gonna see once I remove it. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my hot comb to get this even flatter, and I'm also going to show you guys this with a side part as well. And I actually feel like I want to rock this in a side part today, but I'm gonna first rock it with the center part so you guys can see that. I'm just gonna get my wax stick, my hot comb, and then I'm gonna also run through the hair with my flat iron while everything presses down in the hairline. This is how we're looking. But not lie, something about these kinky straight or kinky textured wigs, it's just always feeling like top quality. I feel like it's because of how, you know, strong or thick the texture is, but oh my gosh, it's just so luscious, you know, really and truly. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the band now that I ran through the wig with my flat iron. You see what I'm saying? Like, please, you see how the movement on this wig is beautiful? The lace is a beautiful invisible knot. Now that you guys seen it in its center part, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a nice side part. The hair is of great quality. Construction is on 10. Nadula, you did your thing. Like, you did your thing. It's laying flat. It looks so neat. Like, and this is how it looks to the end. Very full, you know, very nice and full. So I can't complain. And the movement is gorgeous. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. That is all for today. Thank you guys for checking out today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.